Who is this country songwriter? This artist pioneered a sound come to known as the Bakersfield sound, and that is reference to Bakersfield, California, which the artist called home and for which a lot of his inspiration was drawn from. He preferred to call the sound American music. Don Rich can be heard harmonizing on a lot of this songwriter's hits up until the time of Don's death in 1974. Elvis Edgar co-hosted the popular country variety show called Hee Haw with Roy Clark. He was co-host from 1969 until 1986. His band got its name from Merle Haggard, a former bandmate. The name of his band was the Buckaroos. Okay, so who was this country songwriter? Elvis Edgar Owens Jr. is better known as Buck Owens. He was born April 12, 1929 in Sherman, Texas, and passed away March 25, 2006. You were listening to Vonnie Rose Requests. Let's give it up for Vonnie Rose. She is playing the hottest independent country and rock and blues tracks on the planet.